Hi, welcome back. I'm Vishwa. In this video, we'll see some stocks that have a good potential for trading in intraday tomorrow. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to analyze these stocks and find why these stocks have good potential for trading in intraday tomorrow. So let's get started. So the first on the list is Apollo Tyre. And in this Apollo Tyre, I see a good selling trend, and the selling trend is determined by lower highs and lower lows, which we have right here. The Apollo Tyre has freshly created a new lower high and a lower low, so which indicates that the stock has now moved into a selling trend, at least a short-term selling trend. And another thing that I see in this Apollo Tyre is that the stock has broke down below this trend line pretty strongly. This red candle right here indicates that the selling momentum was really strong when the stock broke down below this trend line, right? But what happened then is interesting. The stock didn't just continue to move down, but instead the stock kind of consolidated. As you can see here, the price was really not moving anywhere. After this red candle, we don't really see any follow-up, but we don't see any kind of follow-through for the selling pressure, but we see a sort of a consolidation. And this is because of this very strong support level right at this 200 area. The price is currently trading at this very strong psychological support level, and the price is reacting to it, as you can see. Although the price broke down pretty strongly, although the selling trend is in and the price is trading pretty strongly with a lot of selling pressure, this 200 area is acting as a pretty strong support level. But what we see here is that although the buyers are trying to get in from this area, we can see that this buying trend is not really strong, that this buying pressure is not really strong. And every time the buying comes in, we see that the sellers are retaliating with their strength. And another thing that you should consider here is this consistent lower highs that's been created on the stock, and this tells us that the selling trend is slowly picking up at the support level. So we can expect to see a drop from this level once the price breaks down below this. And also this strong bearish candle tells us that the selling momentum has picked up, and if the price breaks down below this low and sustains below it, you can look for selling opportunities in Apollo Tyre tomorrow. Moving on, the next stock is CUMM. As you can see, the CUMM is pretty bullish and it's in a solid uptrend right now. And in here, the price is trying to reverse from this trend line after this pullback. Despite multiple attempts, the price cannot go up above this resistance area. We see a couple of rejection candles from this resistance zone, indicating that the sellers are trying to push the prices down from that point. But finally today the price managed to break above this area and close strongly over it with a big bullish candle. Now this indicates that the buyers have regained their momentum. So we can expect this buying momentum to continue tomorrow, and we can expect CUMM to go up as a result. So we can look for long in CUMM tomorrow at the break of this high. So moving on, we have SBI Life. In here, we don't really have a strong trend. All we see is a consolidation. But if you look close enough, you can find W bottom pattern, which indicates that the price has a potential to go up. And what happened today in SBI Life is that the price broke out above this zone in a strong way, like in CUMM, because the price tried multiple times to go over this, but it cannot. And finally, just like CUMM, the price has closed strongly above this area, indicating that the buyers are getting stronger. So we can expect SBI Life to continue with this bullish momentum tomorrow, and it can possibly look for long about the break of the prior high. Moving on, we have Sun TV on a list, and in Sun TV you can see that the price is currently forming a beautiful double bottom pattern. And as you all know, the double bottom indicates a potential reversal toward the upside. And in here, another thing to look for is this very nice support area. As you can see that the price cannot break out of the support area despite multiple attempts. The price tried to break down below this area multiple times, but every time the price hit it, we see the buyers are retaliating in a strong fashion. So we can expect the same thing to happen once again. And this is confirmed by this very nice candle pattern. We see an inverted hammer along with a confirmation bullish candle. This tells us that the price has a potential to go up tomorrow. So once again, Sun TV is good for long tomorrow about the break of the prior high. So these are the 4 stocks that we think have a good potential for trading tomorrow. And if you can find better entries in intraday, you can also find that and trade with lower risk and a higher reward. If you want to know more about the technical analysis, if you want to know how to trade with lower stop loss, you can join our Candletricks training program. For more details, you can ping us on our WhatsApp. The link to the WhatsApp is in the description below. If you want to make use of our intraday calls, you can join our Telegram channel and make use of it. The Telegram channel's link is also in the description below. So if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you find the contents of this video useful, share it with your friends and fellow traders who can also make use of this. Thank you for watching the video. Cheers.